The official launch of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, the leaks and rumors have all been heating up. What's up guys, Saf here on Super Saf TV, and this is everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So initially, some of you guys may already know that this year for the first time we're going to be having at least two different variants of the Samsung Galaxy Note. There is going to be the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 as well as the Note 10 Plus. Now the Plus version may come in just a 5G variant, or it may also come in a 4G as well as a 5G variant. Now for the design, we are going to be seeing Samsung's traditional metal and glass sandwich, so metal frame with curved Gorilla Glass 6 panels on the front and back with IP68 water and dust resistance. However, the Note 10 does have some key differences in design compared to something like the Samsung Galaxy S10. Firstly, the edges are a lot more squared off compared to...
Hi guys, it's ASBYT, and today's video is huge because I have an exclusive, very special package. Inside here is a first glimpse at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Or Pro, whatever you want to call it. I've had a sneak peek, but I thought I'd save the full unboxing for this video. So let's get it unboxed, let's get hands-on so that you can see exactly what the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is all about. Ladies and gents, this is it. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. If you're new to the channel and love everything tech, news, unboxings, reviews, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and ding that notification bell so that every time I post a video, you are notified and can stay up to date with all of the latest tech. Straight off the aeroplane. I presume I've no idea. Right, so as soon as we open the box, we are greeted with a t-shirt, which I'm going to throw on later and probably snap a picture for my Instagram. Go and check it out. or don't. And then, as you can see here, we have some cases here, and they are all for the Note 10 Plus. And as you can see, there's a really nice variety of different designs, and they are from two different companies. One is iBlazon, and the other one is Supcase. Some of the cases are really nice, sleek, and slender. That's good alliteration there. Some of them are a bit more heavy duty for those droppers out there. And all in all, there's some cracking designs. There's great variety here, and you're sure to find one that you like. So if you are looking for a brand new case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or 10 Plus, then make sure you check out these two brands. I will leave the links in the video description below. As we move those cases aside, we have the most important package of all, and it's the car phone ring holder stand. I'm joking, of course, it's not that. We have inside this box here, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus dummy model, which has all of the features that we're going to see on the brand new Note 10 Plus next week. And it gives us some huge information about what we're going to see. So starting with the rear, this confirms the main sort of 3-camera setup on the back, but we also have the LED flash and 2 more round cutouts. Presumably we're going to see a time of flight lens on one of those. Good, of course, for portrait shots. Just the Samsung logo